And Jackie's over there, and that's our brother. Yeah. The pig room. Daddy and Mommy's room. No, you don't have to. Why? Because you don't.
Okay, the next step is baking soda.
Okay.
Okay, so 1.5
Daddy,
tablespoons. So hold the spoon over the bowl.
I'm
Actually, I'm gonna have to help you. You're gonna.
Daddy, I'm gonna do that. Maya, don't pull my
You
hair.
guys can mix it together. And then we have another bottle of glue to use too.
Make it a huge slime.
Okay, Val,
Daddy,
dump that in. 1
Daddy,
tablespoon.
I'm gonna do one.
You get this one. Okay, hold on.
It's smaller. Yep. Is that that? He accidentally did a
There you
mistake.
go. Dump it in.
But that's alright.
Okay, let me see.
Just give it to Daddy.
Okay, now mix that together. Let's use.
I'm gonna use a spoon.
Yeah, give a spoon.
2
We're gonna have to
spoons.
mix that together.
There's a mommy. A drop. We need mix
We're gonna have to do one at a time.
So I think we might both mix it, but I don't need it. I don't.
Mix it up together, guys.
Wow, look at that. And now can I mix it? Can you mix it up good, boy? Let me help you. Okay, I got it. There we go, it's all mixed up. Well, it's all mixed up. Just a
Mix
bit
it up
more.
a little bit better, guys.
So I'm gonna mix it up really.
Very good.
It's kind of coming together a bit. Yep. And we need to put it in the oven. No, we don't. Let's slow down. Wow.
Now we need to do 3 tablespoons of contact and solution. Hold that over the bowl.
Okay.
And don't sniff glue, kids.
This is it. Okay, so 3. No, well, we're just gonna. We don't need that one. Hold it even. Put that one in. Okay, come on. No,
Name's
Willow,
coming
put that
down.
down. We don't need it.
It's gonna overflow, Dad.
It's okay. Willow gets to do one. Okay, hold on to it. Wait till it's full. Okay, dump it. Now mix it together,
Is it a
guys.
call for 3?
Yeah, 3. Yeah, 3.
I'm gonna
Mix it
go
together.
first. It's turning into a big slime right now. Yeah. How can
No. Mix it together first with the spoon.
It actually feels kind of nice.
Yeah, it's getting there.
I feel it.
No, here, go.
Not yet. Because we need to do another bottle of glue. Yep. I'm going to do it. So I can do
Okay, use your hands now. Okay?
We're gonna let Ezra do it too. Oh!
Now knead it together.
Now can I
Get it
do
in
it,
the
Baba?
solution a little bit,
I'm
soak
not
it
gonna
up.
do it.
Now it's Willow's turn now, okay?
Okay.
Now
Now
mix it all
up.
together.
Put it in that solution a bit more. We'll
Put it back in the solution a little bit. Knead it together. Stretch it and knead it.
Stretch it.